Mr. Godrej has started, and the chairman of Godrej Group is discussing numbers for GCP, or that's Godrej Consumer Products Limited.
Results. However, the advertising and promotion expenditure was extremely heavy during the quarter because of the launch of several new products, particularly the Godrej Expert Creme in sachets, which has been extremely successful. The new air freshener, Air, A-E-R, Godrej Air, which has also been very successful. And of course, the relaunch of the entire Synthol range. If you take the profit growth before advertising and promotion, it was 32% in the domestic area and 25% consolidated. So we've had a very good quarter. We expect our performance to continue to be very good in the fourth quarter, especially since vegetable oil prices, which is the major raw material for our soap business, have come down, and we will benefit from that in the fourth quarter. Also, we announced the divestiture of our non-core food business in Indonesia, which will add to for about $35 million. It will add very considerably to our profits in the fourth quarter, because the book value of that business was rather small and there won't be much of a tax bite on it. So the fourth quarter will have a high exceptional income. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I'm just going to ask you the first question about advertising spend. You've been investing considerably behind your brands, and of course most of the brands are now looking good and they're all out in the market in their new revamped form. So is the company going to keep up with this ad spend at this particular rate going forward in the fourth quarter as well, or do we see ad spend kind of taper off or become more subdued in quarter four?
No, ad spends will grow compared to the corresponding quarters of the previous year, but may not grow as much as in the third quarter. The third quarter was exceptional because we had 3 major relaunches, and fortunately they've all been extremely successful, so we'll reap the benefits in the coming quarters. Ad spends will be higher than in the similar quarter of the previous year in the fourth quarter, but the growth in ad spend may not be as much as in the third quarter.